Renault, one of the most popular car makers in the world, recently added another feather in its cap when it produced 50,000 units of the Kiger in India. And Renault accomplished this milestone only within 15 months of the Kiger's India launch. Incredible, isn't it?
The Kiger looks stunning yet ruggedly handsome with its bold SUV proportions. In fact, it is a head turner and stands out in the crowd. What's more interesting is the new stealth black exterior color that enhances the Kiger's attractiveness and ruggedness. The modern LED headlamps, eyebrow style daytime driving lights, chunky cladding, and unique alloy wheels, along with various cuts and creases, describe the sporty character of the Kiger. In fact, the new stealth black exterior color further highlights its boldness.
Not just the exterior design, the Kiger also comes with a unique and spacious interior, along with modern day in-cabin features. Not to mention, it offers you that typical commanding position of a sports utility vehicle. Well, that's not the end of the story because in March 2022, Renault launched the updated Kiger with a few more modern and must-have features along with fresh upholstery. For starters, there is a wireless smartphone charging pad, cruise control, and a PM 2.5 cabin air filter, which is standard across all the variants. In fact, the seats come with a new quilted upholstery with decorative red stitching. Lest we forget, the Kiger also offers best-in-class performance with its superb 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine and high-revving CVT automatic gearbox. And of course, the multi-driving modes further liven up your driving experience. With great power comes great responsibility. Hence, the Kiger is equipped with a wide range of safety features which have led it to achieve a 4-star adult passenger rating in the global NCAP crash test. And why not? Renault has given Kiger 4 airbags, an anti-lock braking system with electronic braking distribution, and seatbelt pre-tensioners with load limiter.
All in all, the Kiger looks splendid with its new eye-catching stealth black exterior color and new upholstery for a modern and spacious cabin. Then, the combination of an excellent engine and multi-drive modes gives you quite an engaging driving experience. Top it all, with the variety of safety features it brings along, no doubt the Kiger is a complete package when it comes to looks, interior space, safety and performance while still being affordable. In fact, Renault proudly manufactures the Kiger at its state-of-the-art Chennai plant in India, from where it is exported to many international markets.